Hey, I got all finished up with the new planters, getting all those ready, set up. They're all ready to go to the field. And I got the other two one-year-old planters out and was checking them over and you know, just going over everything to make sure they're ready to go too. And one of our fertilizer pumps had seized up over the winter, or over the summer, I should say. It's winter now, but what happened was well, it's a piston pump, first of all. So it's got this push rod that actually works like the engine, like a normal engine. There's a cam in there that pushes this rod in and out, and this piston hooks onto that rod. Well, anyway, kind of works by compression. And you can see here these little rubber O-rings are shot. I mean, that's and what happened was the fertilizer had actually leaked into this gearbox, and I went to drain the oil and it didn't want to come out. It was like glue because it had mixed with fertilizer. And so we've been working at this all day today to try to get it apart and figure out what was actually wrong with it. And what it was this piece here slides over this rod, and this cylinder part right here was actually seized inside this. So after pulling and beating and banging and gear pullers and torches, finally got it apart. So now I'm just cleaning everything up. I ordered all new seal kits, paper gaskets that go on here, all the rubber O-rings, all new stuff should be in next week, and gonna put it back together. But it's kind of a tedious process, but it's all good. This thing here was kind of rusty and pitted. I cleaned it up really nice and got it sanded down. Should with new O-rings and everything, it should seal up pretty well. I just hope that I can get this shaft out, because I actually have to take it out. I need to clean out the gearbox because there's some really nasty stuff inside there. Can't really see in there, but I'll grab a light. Actually not too bad, but it's not as seized as I thought it was. When I put a pipe wrench on this to begin with, it wouldn't turn at all. And now it actually turns, so I'm not too worried about the gearbox. I think it's okay. It was just everything else that was really corroded and gummed up from the fertilizer leaking through. So with all new seals and stuff, it should work for another, I don't know, several years, hopefully. Also wanted to take a minute to talk about my Milwaukee Tools again. I know I go on and on about how I love them, but I just can't say enough how much I love this 3/8 impact. And I recently upgraded some of my batteries from the 5.0s to these red lithium HD9s, and I'll tell you, the life on these is incredible. I can use that for days without having to charge it. My local Milwaukee dealer, they're at Casey Mill Supply here in Hopkinsville, hooked me up with these, and just really happy with them. Of course, I'm using a grease gun. I got my 3/8 impact out today, flashlight. I had used my Milwaukee hacksaw to cut some boards earlier that I was using to hit stuff with, and this is a new toy. I just picked this up the other day. It's a blower. I can keep stuff clean around here, and works really well too. So yeah, just thought I'd brag a little bit about that. Thanks for watching.
I hope you've enjoyed spending some time in the farm shop with Matt, taking a look at his current project, working on the fertilizer pump for the 24-row John Deere 1775 NT corn planter. It won't be too long before the farm's planters are putting corn seeds in the ground. Also, it's always interesting to see the tools that Matt uses for his different projects. And in the next video with Matt in the farm shop, we're going to take a look as Matt works on assembling a 34-foot wide Wishick 862 NT NT disc with 30-inch blades. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.